Up, everyone? Good morning. Happy Monday. Let's get after it. Pulled up here is a C-Blast watch list. NVIDIA, JD, Babla, Tesla, PayPal, AMD. He mentioned in the pro trading floor, right? Always keep an eye on that for some of our comments. NVIDIA is his top watch from this list, right? Same triggers. He's waiting for dashboard flow confirmation for entry. Right, so make sure you have the dashboard open. Right, make sure your filters are set. I have my filter for expiration, the range, set to 924. Right, so I can see everything for this week. Out of the money calls, out of the money puts, sweeps only. Make the music a little bit lower. What's up, Kevin? Taking profits. What's up? What's up, everyone? So again, for everyone joining, this is C-Blast watch list in the trading floor. He's looking for he's watching NVIDIA as a top setup, which I have the same setup as him. I really like JD. The setup looks great. When price action gets tight like this, you know, it tends to have a very, very large move. PayPal as well. This looks great. Right, if you guys, you know, have been here for a decent amount of time, you'll notice that every single one of our watch list plays are all very, very similar. Right, we're all just looking for price action that gets tighter and tighter. Right, we want price action that's consolidating. This looks very good on Tesla, actually. This is on the 30-minute chart. Let's take a look. Right, so this is the chart I had. Right, so you can do this two ways, right? You can chart it like that, or you could do it like this, right? I'm gonna keep both just so I have an understanding of, you know, a potential resistance right here that we could reject, right? At pre-market, we're at 375. I'm gonna watch puts today. At open, I'm watching puts, especially on SPY. Right, here's a chart on SPY. Right, lower and lower highs. We had a double bottom here. I'm watching this level right here, 382.13 for puts. This is the level I'm watching here. Right, below this, I might take puts. We have a previous support, right? Was a resistance, was a big time support here. So if we do drop below 382.13, 380.55, this region is an area of support. What's up, Charles? Falling wedges are amazing. It's one of my favorite patterns. Definitely continue to learn, you know, how it works. Highly, highly suggest it. My favorite pattern there is. What's up, Sam, Jim? Good morning. Christopher Wilson said, took a big L last week, got greedy after being up 6K. You know what happens, right? Take it as a learning experience. Try not to make that mistake again, right? If you see green, take green. Everyone, please drop a like on the video. Would appreciate it. We got 19 legs. Let's get it up to like over 100. Let's get up to over 100. Really love the support from everyone. Hopefully you guys are finding these streams useful. Let's get some activity here in the chat. What's up, Jerry? Watching SPY puts at open, right? We have a double bottom, right? Take a look at the smaller time frame. Potentially even a triple bottom. right? We have a double bottom along with a triple top, right? And we're opening up right around this region here. Let's take a look at the pre-market action. Look where we're bouncing, right? So a triple bottom with the pre-market action. Cloud settings are, it's just a BT cloud. Can remove this and can remove this. I don't use these. The BT cloud, right? You can find it, go to indicators and search BT cloud by C Blast. Regarding strike, let me take a look at the flow. I mean the strikes. Give me a second here. I have 2 day trades left for this week so far, so I could do 2 trades so far. SPX, let's see. Puts. Alright, September 19th. 0 data expiration. Probably will do. Let's see, if we're open up around 383. I'll probably take a 3,800 put, which is around $480 currently. All right, that's what I'll look at, a 3,800. Because if we drop here, we're gonna see a nice little breakdown. Can easily get the challenge account to 20K on one play here, right at open. So that's what I'm gonna look at. What's up, Mal? How you doing? MDB, not really a ticker I play. I just kind of play the same tickers over and over again. These tickers here, right? SPX, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Amazon. These tickers I don't really play as much, but they do have good setups here. Where did I learn to trade? By teaching myself, self-education. Just by sitting here and looking at the charts. Right, you'll notice if you look at the charts long enough every single day, the same thing happens over and over again. Price action moves the same every single time. What's up, Jared? If you guys can please drop a like on the video, would appreciate it. Live every day, Monday to Friday, 9 to 9:30. At 9:30, I switched to the Discord. Still working on a way to stream live, like the my chart, so you guys can see it. Working on getting the app out. App should be out, you know, very soon. The indicator is BT Cloud right here. Question for everyone: if we set up a BT Cloud premium version, right, like with buy sell indicators, right, really try and nail down the algo, would you guys be interested in that? Right, if we had buy sell indicators, right, for like the 15-minute or the 30-minute chart, it would tell you when to buy and sell. Let us know if you'd be interested in that for that. Volume profile is just VRVP, volume range value profile. Eventually, you know, what I kind of want to try and do is integrate an indicator with flow, right? So we have the BT cloud, and then try and integrate flow, right? So let's say, for example, we have SPY calls coming in, right? With let's say out of the money calls, right? We can try and have the algo indicate to us that they're entering SPY calls, right? And it, you know, takes the chart, right? Uses technical analysis and kind of integrates it all in one. That's the goal. You know, that's what we're trying to do. You know, something, an idea that we have. Always trying to add something better. Let's see what we got. So, pre-market action here. All right, so we have a triple bottom again. All right, with the high here, 383.54. Can use those as support and resistance. I'll be live, so you know, in, right, Ghost just posted it, right, live trading channel. At the Discord, scroll all the way to the bottom and click live trading right here. This is where Ghost and I will be streaming, right, on voice chat. Right, you'll be able to get the same entries as we do. Okay. Whoops. We're also trying to set up a stream, right? So I won't be active on it, but on the channel it will be like a dual screen of the chart with flow with the buy sell indicator, and it will just be automatically streamed Monday to Friday when the market's open. So you can watch that. You know, just an idea. Always trying to figure out new ideas. Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla. All right, so Tesla's sitting right at this support, right? Old resistance, new support, right at the 300 level. If we break down here, right, especially on SPX, puts can be played. Right, but watch for a bounce right in this region here, right? 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce. This area is going to act as support here. Apple, definitely watch Apple as an indication of where the market's going to go, right? Apple, one of the biggest names. Multiple rejections off this white line here. And it's sitting right in the middle of the range here, right? 148.45 support. Keep an eye on that level. Let's take a look at Netflix. It's up in pre-market. One of the only things that's green. I know D Cruz has it. Oops. Clicked the wrong tool. Like the background music? Awesome. If you guys can, please drop a like on the video. Only at 75. Just gotta scroll down, I'm pretty sure, and just a little thumbs up. Helps get the videos out there. Let's take a look at the names of what we were looking at yesterday. Alright, so net, right? This is a suggestion from the stream last night. Triple bottom. And we're sitting right at the lows, so you can watch this for a potential bounce back to the upside. Chewy, right? Nice little flag, potential breakdown, right? This is a continuation pattern, right? If I flip this upside down, right, we would all play this to the upside, right? So watch this for a breakout for this region here, right? Around 30. Why puts and not calls, right? We're just following the trend, right? This is the inverse chart, right? So here's the overall chart. right? So we had a breakout. Let me reverse it so no one gets confused. Yep, and Chewy. I know Chris loves Chewy. You always kill that trade as well. Right, just following the trend. Right, overall downtrend. We broke this support here, and we have a double bottom. Right, so why am I favoring puts? Whoops, because I'm just following the trend. Right, we had a triple top. We have a triple bottom or a double bottom with another bounce in pre-market. Right, so just looking for you know, puts because following the trend. Yeah, Chewy looks ready. I know you all like this one. Right, previous support acting as a resistance. Right, a lot of pressure right here. So, you know, bears are definitely in control here. Starbucks as well, Chris. Take a look at Starbucks. Looks pretty decent. Right, nice little flag. Has a little triple bottom here with pre-market. Square below the flag here, right? Below this level here, you can play puts. Take a look at GameStop. GameStop potentially wants to break down. Lulu below the wedge here. Amazon I really liked last night. It's dropping now below that that wedge. I wanted to use 122.88 as an entry, but since it's below that, I'm gonna have to play something else. AMD, Nvidia, kind of holding pretty decent in pre-market, down 1%, but so regarding the trade on Friday, right, we were just playing this this resistance here. Right, we had higher and higher lows. Right, this is the chart we were looking at here. Higher and higher lows, and we were just looking for a bounce off of this level, right? Previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, previous resistance, acted as again right here, right? And then turn into a support, right? So when we came back down and tested this level right off 300, or 300 major level, we were looking for a bounce right here. All right, so I'm pretty sure we entered right here, and then once it consolidated, looked ready to rip, right over this previous level as well, right? Resistance turned into a support, and then turned into a resistance again. So when we had this consolidation here, right, this break caused it to rip up to the upside, right? And Tesla blew up and rejected right at that previous resistance, right? Price action moves the same every single time. That's why we took this trade. That's what we look for every single time. How do I play wedges if the breakout happened in pre-market? You don't, right? You gotta make a new plan and find something else. Go back to SPY. This is what I'm going to be watching at open. Just SPY or SPX. That's what I'll be watching at open. Along with Chewy and Apple and Tesla. Not watching Netflix. It's already up in pre-market. What questions does everyone have? 185 people here. Appreciate everyone stopping by. If you can, please drop a like on the video. Make sure you're taking a look at the flow, right? I always have my flow up, right? I have my filter set, so when the market opens, this is gonna filter automatically, right? This is the flow at close on Friday. Here are my filters. Right, I have it set to 924. And the money calls, out of the money puts. SPX options are on E-Trade and Webull. Probably just have to type it in. SPXW maybe. Watching for puts at open. If you guys need more help with learning how to trade, right? All the analysts at BullTrades do one-on-ones, or most of the analysts, right? Me, C-Blast, D-Cruise, Ghosts, Cedar, I'm pretty sure, right? So if you like one of our strategies or like the way one of us trades or, you know, whatever it may be, do a one-on-one, right? 45-minute session, hour session, whatever it may be. You know, we'll create a plan for you individually, and then you can ask us whatever questions you want. I know everyone that's done it, I've seen an insane improvement in their trading, you know, within one day. Right? The trading is a huge mindset game. So, you know, if we can tweak your mindset in, you know, becoming a better trader, it's going to be worth it, right? People make thousands of dollars the next day. So, you know, just consider it. Yep, so you can move the columns around however you want. All right, so for example, spot, details, sweep, I move off the table. The date I move because everything that's going to be coming in today is obviously today's date. And yeah, I don't know if you can save it. We got to add that. Make a watch list, right? You can enable notifications. So that's that. All info for one-on-one is in the bio. All right, click that link tree. Always look for, you know, old resistance to become new support and old support to become new resistance. That's how it works. Right? Old support, new resistance. Let's see. What other questions you guys got? You take other not as good trades. I alert most of my trades, but if I see a quick scalp, I'll take it myself, obviously. If I can't alert it in time or if it moves too quick. Let's see, 9:25. 5 minutes to market open. As always, plan the trade, trade the plan. If you don't have an entry, a stop loss, and a take profit area, chart it out. Don't take the trade. All right, you always want to have a plan. That way, you know what you're doing before you enter the trade. Let's take a look at VIX. Right, VIX at a major level here, right? Rejected numerous times at this 27-28 level. I'm gonna set an alert right here and another alert right here. If that breaks, I am doing a heavy position into SPX puts. That'll be my challenge account play if we break this zone here. Right, so again, to reiterate, if VIX breaks this zone here, right, I have alerts set for both breakouts, right? This resistance here, this resistance here. I'm probably taking a full port on the SPX puts. Right, I'll be in voice chat alerting it. So let's see what happens. 4 minutes to market open. Let's start to transition to the Discord. I want to make sure everyone gets in time. Again, looking at SPX puts below this 382.13 level. 382. Right. Just round the numbers to the nearest, whole number. Right, 382. All right, let's start to transition. Thanks everyone for stopping by. I'm gonna head to Discord.
And video had a nice pop up, some pre-market strength there.